Hello everyone, my name is Shachar Leon and the rest of our group is Yamit Didi and Matan Sudri. We will give you today an introduction about the amazing world of the solar roofs. In this presentation, we're going to talk about the following subject. To understand solar roof, we will explain first what is photovoltaic cells, what is solar roof, and how do they even work. What reason do people have to make the decision to have solar roof? We're also going to see the development through history. What are the advantages and disadvantages to understand better their value in our life? We will see example of solar roof in Israel and the most important, our conclusion about solar roof.
What is photovoltaic cells? To produce electricity from the sun, we need to use photovoltaic cells. The word photovoltaic divided into two parts. The first part, photo, mean light, while the second part, voltaic, mean electricity. Now, after we talk about photovoltaic cells, we can talk about shingles. Today, most of the shingles is the old and classic shingles. The solar shingles are doing the same work of protecting the house as the old shingles, but the new shingles are producing electricity for the house.
So how do the solar roof work? The photovoltaic cells that locate inside the shingles absorb the sunlight that make the electrons inside the cells to move in one direction. This concept is called stream. The stream is stored in the photovoltaic cells and being used as electricity.
There are two reasons that people want to install solar roofs in their houses. One reason is the big exposure to the green energy. Because of that, people want the world to stay clean as it is now. The second reason is economic side. The people in the start invest money on the installing of the system and get every month money from the government.
Let's see the development through history. At first, the photovoltaic cells were used in satellites in space. As the years passed through, the technology developed and the photovoltaic cells started to be used in solar roofs. In this point, we were able to use 19 to 19.9% of the sunlight as electricity. That is a massive development compared to the past that we could only use 10% convert from the sun. For everything today, there are advantages and disadvantages to help us make good decisions. We focus first on the benefits. After we invest the money to install the system of the solar roof, we can enjoy from long-term financial saving. Those shingles are so well designed that they protect the home from any basic weather, for example rain. Solar roof cooperate with the struggle to save the planet, and last but not least, reusing a green energy from the nature. In order to complete the whole picture, we have to expose the disadvantages of solar roof. The total invest to install the system is very high and expensive. There are different levels of utilization according to the weather and environment. For example, in the winter there is not enough sun to maximum the creation of electricity. We need to make sure we blazing sun exposure modes. For example, make sure that there are no trees that cover the top of the house from the sun. Another disadvantage is the change of electricity cost in different periods. The cost of electricity sometimes is subsidized by the government and therefore it is less expensive than installing solar roof.
Now in Israel there are projects in the Negev of solar collectors that located along to 247 dunam of land and produce 170 megawatt. That transferred to the general population in the Arava.
After we see all that we need to know about solar roof, we can say our conclusions. the entire field of solar roofs is on the rise and proliferation. Now there are a large number of people that are aware of the use and its benefits of solar roof. In addition, using solar roof make you take part in two important areas including economic field and green energy use. We hope you all enjoy from our presentation about solar roof shingles.